I want you to try this challenge for 24 hours and you will get instant and magical results. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sneha. I talk about manifestation, law of attraction, self-improvement and positivity on this channel. So make sure to subscribe this channel to join this journey. Today I want you to try this one manifestation experiment. And I am sure that you will get instant and magical results. It is for 24 hours. You have to manifest anything which you want in just a 24-hour time frame. Like, let's say take an example. Like if you want to manifest a text or if you want to manifest a gift from someone. So you will manifest this gift or text in just a 24-hour frame. Yeah, it sounds interesting, right? So, you have to be clear what you want to manifest in just 24 hours and I want you to think a thing which is possible like in 24 hours. Like don't take an example, don't take like you want a Mercedes or you want a house or you want to like any kind of thing which is not possible in 24 hours time frame. Like if you want to manifest a house, it is possible to manifest it in just 24 hours. Like it takes time to build a house. So don't manifest this. Like manifest anything which is possible. Like you can manifest money, you can manifest sex, you can manifest any gift, you can manifest chocolates, you can manifest watch, anything. So you have to be clear what you want to manifest in just 24 hours. Don't mess up your mind. Do not think a lot of things. Don't ask for a lot of things. Be clear what you want to manifest in 24 hours. Just take one thing. Do not take a lot of things like let's take this, let's take it. No. Only one thing. You just want to manifest one thing in 24 hours and be clear what you want. Be clear if you are wanting any gift. Think about color. Be specific about shape. Be specific about like if you want to manifest any phone or watch, be specific about company and the color of this. Now, second, you have to match the vibration of yours to the vibration of your desired manifestation. You have to be on the vibration of your manifestation. Now, you must be thinking, how can I be on the vibration of manifesting things? Like, you have to be happy. You have to feel that, yes, you got this thing. You have to feel happy from inside. Now, how can you be happy? You have to be happy and be on the frequency of your manifestation. Be on the vibration, energy of your manifestation. You have to be on the level of your vibration frequency. Okay? Now, third thing, visualize. Like visualization is a key of manifestation. You have to visualize how you feel after getting what you want. You feel happy, how much excited are you, how much you feel satisfied, how much you are thankful to the universe that what you manifested is already within you. What you manifested is in front of you. How you feel, visualize. If you are visualizing like specific thing, like I want to manifest this, then visualize how it looks, how it feels, how the color are, how the shapes are, how the texture is. Feel like you are having this thing in your hands. Feel like this. Make your mind think that you already have this thing. You already have what you want. And comment right now that I have this thing. Like I manifested this thing. Comment in my comment section so that you think that your manifestation is already done. You have to visualize the thing which you want to manifest, how it feels, how much happy are you, how much excited are you, how much thankful are you to the person who gave you this or to the universe that he make this manifestation come true in just 24 hours. Like just 24 hours. Fourth thing is already done. You have to feel that it is already done. Once you ask and it is done, on that point it is done. It's just done. That you have your manifestation. You are not stressed that how it's gonna come to you, how much time it's gonna take, and from where it's gonna come to you, how much cost. You do not have to think any kind of things like that. You just think that, yeah, I manifested and it is already done. You have to think that it is already done. Manifesting text. So do not watch your phone like, oh, he didn't text me or she didn't text me or, oh no, she is not calling me. Oh, I don't think that it's gonna happen. No, don't think like this. You just have to think that, okay, I manifested it. I said to the universe that I want this in just 24 hours. I said to universe that I want this thing. clearly. I tell everything, and now my manifestation is done. I do not have to think any other thing. My manifestation is done now, and you will be truly amazed by the magic of this experiment. Be so amazed that your manifestation just came to in 24 hours, and it will be so magical. So that is for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you manifest whatever you want. So claim your manifestation by subscribing my channel and liking this video, and share so many friends of you that they can manifest too. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.